Hey everybody, it's Tiffany and Arlen, the Patio Gardeners. And Tiffany, we've had some changes in our backyard since our last video.
Yes, we have.
A couple of months ago, we had a branch come down from this big old tree. It broke one of our windows and made us really nervous about the tree because it's quite close to the house. So what we've actually done here is we had half of our deck removed because the tree is going to be removed as well. We had an arborist look at it, so it's gonna go in like 2 weeks. So this is kind of a first step. So we have still our steps coming out of the back door. So that's the bad tree news. But Tiffany, do you want to talk about the good tree news?
The good tree news is that it's mulberry season, and we have a mulberry tree.
We do. It's kind of a funky tree, but we've been harvesting some mulberries, and this is how we harvest them. We, if you just wait, they will eventually fall off, but we kind of don't want squirrels to eat them when they fall on the ground. So what we do is we put out a big tarp and then just hit a branch with a rake or shake it around, and the blackberries, which are ripe, the black mulberries, fall off. So it's been working pretty well, and they're tasty. What would you say they taste like?
I don't know. I mean, it's really hard to describe. Neither of us have had mulberries before because, of course, they're hard to get. They don't keep.
They're perishable, yeah, quite perishable, so you don't see them in stores. But they're a little bit like a blackberry, but I would say less stony and maybe a little bit sweeter.
If you get a really ripe one, they are definitely super sweet.
Yeah.
We've started harvesting, which is great. We've mostly been eating a lot of radishes because they are all they're ready.
Yeah.
We've also been having some chard and some sorrel for our salads. Harvested our first yellow crookneck squash yesterday, and we've got more growing, so
yeah,
we're just gonna have to stay on top of it so they don't get too big.
Yeah, you can see here's another one that's growing. Yeah, so that's kind of what we have going on. Can't make it focus, that's okay. That's what we have going on. We just added a trellis for our cucumbers here. You can see this wooden trellis here. So that's exciting. We still have bird netting on these cages because there are some small leafy things that we think might be attractive to birds still, like these lettuces or dill, but I think we might take those off after a little while. So that's kind of what we have growing on in the garden. Let us know how your garden is going in the comments, and feel free to subscribe if you'd like more updates. Thanks for watching. Bye.